So the first project is called First Coding Project. And for the first coding project, this is what we're going to do. So this is a card. It's a marketing card from moo.com. I really, really, really love this company. Their branding is great. Their processes are great. When you, the experience on their website is great. The materials that they produce in print are wonderful. Hence this little card. That's why I picked this little card. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this card and we're going to design it in Figma. And then we're going to evaluate different things in Figma and how it translates to code. And then we're going to code it and make it live on the web with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, so that is the goal. That's the first project. My YouTube channel is called She Did That. The URL is, I'll post it in the channel. It's a long one because I haven't customized it, so I'm not even gonna say it. But the channel is called She Did That. Okay, so that's the first project that will be on this channel. I'm uploading some of the videos. They're not specifically about this part of the project. They're more about setting up. If you're a developer and you're getting, learning to code, it's more introductory videos about installing different tools to be able to do what we're going to do. But probably within the next couple of days, the next 48 hours, I will get to the meat and potatoes of this specific project, taking it from a paper design, turning it into a digital design in Figma, and then turning that Figma design into a live web experience. So I hope you follow along. Again, She Did That is the YouTube channel, and I will post the link as soon as possible. Thank you for watching. Hope you join.